Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video of mine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner without a website and without building an email list and without having an audience. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to share with you this amazing traffic source right at the end of this video that you could take good advantage of. So before I get started, make sure to smash the subscribe button and make sure to like this video. It really helps this video reach more people and it helps my channel out. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that being said, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to sign up to a Clickbank or any other affiliate marketplace where you will be able to find products that you will be able to promote. So I recommend Clickbank because and it's the leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace for sure. And for those of you who cannot get signed up to Clickbank for whatever reason, you can check out a website called JvZoo.com, which is also an amazing affiliate marketplace which you can promote good quality products. Okay, so make sure you sign up to Clickbank, and once you sign up, you'll see this dashboard, and you want to make sure that once you've clicked the marketplace, then you want to pick a category. And for this tutorial, I'm going to pick the health and fitness because this niche is currently booming right now. So, and what I like to do is I like to sort results by gravity. So if you don't know what gravity is, it's basically where for example, if we look at the gravity of this product, 430, this tells us that 430 affiliates have sold this or have made a sale with this product in the last month or so. So that's a good sign. So so you make sure you do your due diligence and you really promote a product that you believe in, right? Because we don't want to scam people and make false promises. And I recommend that you purchase the product yourself. If you purchase the product yourself, then it's going to help you promote it better. So if I hit promote over here, I will be given, and I press generate hop link. And my link is right over here. So this is the link that I'm going to use to promote this product. So I'm just going to save that in my notepad. Let me just pull up my notepad quickly. And I'm just going to paste it right here. And I'm just going to minimize that. I'm really excited to show you guys this entire strategy because guys, it's amazing. So thereafter, what you want to do is you want to head over to a website called idplr.com. So I'm just going to type in here idplr, and it's the first one right here. So just click on that. Just waiting for you to load. Boom. So basically what this website is, it's basically has private label right products, that meaning you can use this, you can use these products even though you did not create them. I mean, like, you can literally become the owner of the product without actually creating the product. So the strategy, once again, to remind you, is we're going to give away a free ebook. Even though we did not create the ebook, we're going to give away an ebook, and people will read through the ebook, and we will be placing our affiliate link throughout the ebook to our Clickbank product. So thereafter, what you want to do is you want to head over to where it says free products, and as you can see, we have access to free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio, free graphics, free templates. and you can make them your own even though you did not create them. So that's a beautiful thing about private label right products. So I'm just going to look for an ebook in the niche that I have chosen, the health and fitness, and more specifically the keto diet. And if I just type in over here keto diet, so as you can see, the results have come up, and I can download these books. And as you can see, you can actually use videos as well. And I'm just gonna look for a product, right? So I'm just gonna download this one right here, Easy Keto. And you just want to make sure you scroll down and see exactly what we can do with this product. So as you can see, it says here, yes, can be sold, can be used for personal use, basically can be used for anything, right? No, wait, it says at the bottom you cannot modify the graphics and the e-cover, and yeah, so it cannot be given away for free. But just don't worry about that, guys. So what you want to do is you want to, and it cannot, so thereafter what you want to do is you want to download this ebook, right? So I'm just going to download it. It's asking me to log in, so let me just log in quickly and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I have just logged in and I have downloaded this Easy Keto Diet ebook. And the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to a website called JvZoo.com. That is JvZoo.com. It's a free PDF editor software, completely free. So thereafter you want to click over here where it says edit a PDF document. So I'm just going to click there, and we're going to upload PDF file, which in our case is our ebook, right? So that we have just downloaded from ITPLR. So let's wait for that to download. And as you can see, we can literally edit anything on this ebook, but that's up to you guys. I'm not really gonna do all that right now. What I want to show you over here is how we can add in our links, right? So we want to make sure we add in a call to action to our Clickbank product throughout this PDF, right? So for example, at the bottom you see space here, we can add in a text, right? So I just click text, right here. I can type in, for example, get your own free custom diet. Get your own free custom diet. Get your own keto diet custom made for you. Something like that, guys. And you can actually just want to delete that, and you can just move it right here, and we can bold it, and we can just you can put it into italics if you want, and you can increase the font size if you want. So something like this should be good. I'm just going to delete that. Just gonna move this right here, and you can edit the color. So guys, I'm not really going to do all that now. You get the point. Now next thing you want to do is we want to place in our affiliate link here. So the way to do that is where it says links right on the top, you're going to click that, and we're going to drag this over our text, right? So something like this. Make sure it's over the whole text, and where it says link to external URL, this is where we're gonna paste in our Clickbank affiliate link, which is right here. So sorry about that, guys. Which is right here. So this is the link that we're gonna use, or we're gonna place, right? So I'm just gonna copy this, and I'm gonna paste it right here, and I'm just gonna apply changes. So make sure you place this call to action throughout the ebook, so when people are reading it, they are constantly reminded to click onto the call to action, right? So make sure wherever you see spaces in the bottom, you want to add in the call to action with your Clickbank affiliate link. So I'm just going to apply changes, and I'm just going to wait for it to load. And as you can see, if I scroll down to where I placed my link, which was somewhere here, right here. So if someone clicks here, they will be redirected to the custom keto diet plan, which is the affiliate product that we're promoting. So as you can see in the top, my hop link has been has showed up here, so I'm gonna get credited for the sale I make, right? So that's the idea behind this. So if we go back, make sure you download this PDF, and once it's downloaded, then you're gonna have it ready for the traffic source that I'm gonna show you, which is an amazing traffic source, guys. This website is something that gets a lot of traffic. So you want to head over to Amazon Kindle, right? So this is where people publish their PDFs and books, right? And you want to publish your book on Amazon Kindle, right? So if I have to go to Amazon, for example, if I go to Amazon, let's scroll, open a new tab, Amazon.com, and if I type in here keto diet, so as you can see, guys, there's a lot of ebooks and articles and recipes that show up, and people are selling it for, as you can see, $15, $19, $7, but I recommend that you do it for absolute free, right? Because we already have a back-end product that we can make money off, right? So for example, this guy here, he's been selling it for $0. So let's see exactly what's his strategy. So for example, this book, we can actually have a quick sneak peek of what's inside the book. So let's see if they have used the same strategy as us. So if I go through the ebook, content page, introduction, nope, they don't seem to have any links, any affiliate links in this entire ebook. So imagine if they had placed an affiliate link, they would have actually made so many more conversions. So anyways, that's good news for us because you can take advantage of the strategy. So what you want to do is once again, you want to find a product on Clickbank based on your niche. I recommend the health and fitness or the make money online niche or the relationship niche. Secondly, you want to head over to IDPLR, log in, and you want to find a free ebook that you can use. Thereafter, head over to JvZoo and edit it, and you want to place in your links and call to action throughout the ebook. And thereafter, you want to publish it on Amazon. I recommend that you do it for absolute free. Guys, so that's the end of this tutorial, and if you really enjoyed it, please make sure you like this video and smash the subscribe button and help me get to 1,000 subscribers in the next 4 months. Guys, that's my goal right now. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so I would really appreciate it if you could help me achieve that. So once again, this tutorial showed you how you as a complete beginner can make money online without a website, without an email list, and using a free traffic source. Now that's not the method that I recommend that you make money online with. I really want you to build an email list, because that's a business, right? If you build an email list, that's your customer base, that's your audience that you can make money out of anytime you want, an email list. And if you really want to know how to make money online the right way, and which will be a long-term sustainable plan, right? So you're gonna make money in the long term, so think of long term, right? So in that case, I will be leaving a link below in the description, and check it out, guys. I'm inviting you to watch a free video by my mentor, and he's gonna explain to you everything that you need to know from there. So once again, the link will be in the description below. It'll be the first link. And also, if you know someone that would benefit with this video, please make sure to send them this video. So again, without further ado,